Alright, hey guys, I'm Spencer. I'm going to do a quick bike check. Start off, I've got a 2009 Kink Whip frame. I've had it for about a year. It's holding up pretty well. I've got the Sabrosa Pandora forks. I've got some stock Eastern wheel that came off my friend's bike. Just got this today. It's a Duo Stunner, low profile white wall rim. I've got a Primo Annihilator front load stem. I've got some Kink integrated headset that I got. I'm running Shadow Voltus bars, ODIO grips. I've got the stock crank arms that came with my bike. I've got Primo PC pedals. I've got a Primo Annihilator sprocket that I just bent today, which sucks because I've had it for a while. I've got some shitty half link, came off my friend's United. I've just got the stock Kink Bike Co. seat with a stolen Thermalite seat post. Shut up, Kristen. I've got a Shadow Overtaker tire in the back. I'm running some Sputnik pegs in bronze. Then I've got a Alienation V2 Rush free coaster laced to a Cinema 777 rim. It's my first free coaster. Still getting used to it. I think that's it. Yeah, so here's some clips from tonight. See ya.
You're pretty.
I'm a DRUNKSOB tonight, drinking TEQULIA and MILLER's light, and my XWIFE kick my ASSOUT, and now I'm just a DRUNKSOB. Well, I'm a DRUNKSOB tonight, drinking TEQULIA and MILLER's light, and my XGIRLFRIE